In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create match and move animations in Canva, a simple yet powerful tool for designing engaging visuals. Animation can really bring your projects to life, and in just a few minutes, you'll see how easy it is to get started with match and move animations. Let's dive in. First, we need to open Canva. If you don't already have an account, it's quite straightforward to sign up for one. Once you're logged in, you'll notice an inviting dashboard that offers a variety of design options. We want to create something from scratch, so go ahead and click on the Create a Design button, usually found at the top right of your screen. This will allow us to choose the format that fits our project best. You might choose presentations, social media posts, or any of the other customizable dimensions Canva offers. Once you've got your blank canvas, it's crucial to ensure that your design has a consistent look and feel. Think about your background and color palette. Having a uniform background can make your animation appear smoother and more professional. You can choose from Canva's preset colors or customize your own palette depending on what suits your project. Now comes the fun part. Adding your image, logo, or text. Place these elements on your first page. As you're designing, consider the composition. Where do your elements feel balanced? This will be important when we start adding animations. With your first page set, let's clone it by clicking the Duplicate Page button. This crucial step ensures that your design remains seamless, and any changes you make will be easily transferable throughout the animation process. With your second page created, make sure to duplicate it again for more intricate animations. It's on these duplicated pages that the magic truly happens. Begin by shifting or resizing the object on the second page to its desired final position. Whether you want it to slide across or shrink gradually, this is your chance to play with movement. Once you've got your elements positioned as you like, it's time to focus on transitions. You'll notice a small transition icon situated between your two pages. Click on it to explore the options. Among these, select Match and Move. This specific transition allows the objects to fluidly move from their starting place on the first page to their ending spot on the second, creating smooth animation that captivates your audience. With everything set, all that's left is to share your creation. Click on Share to find the downloading options. Depending on your needs, you can download your animated sequence as an MP4 to showcase the animation or as a presentation file in PPT format. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've mastered the art of creating match and move animations in Canva. This technique is perfect for enhancing videos, presentations, and more, giving your projects the dynamic touch they deserve. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!